Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and I got another banger video for you right now. It's about Tesla. Is Tesla about ready to turn around and go back up like it had done so much in the prior point of where we are right now? Tesla's been beaten up so much, and a lot of people are still trading it. A lot of people want to know, is it the right time to get in? So we're going to talk about that today. Before we do, though, I'd like to say thank you so much for supporting the channel. Our videos for the past few days or so are tremendously off the charts, and that's all thanks to you. So I want to say thank you for that. And if you're not a subscriber of the channel yet and you want to catch all of the buzz that's going on in the community right now, take a moment, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be alerted when videos like this come out. Let's start off with a couple of stories. Tesla struggles to keep up with a Chinese EV rival in Europe, and it's not Boyd. See, the big thing about why Tesla's been beaten up right now is Elon Musk has been going after that business with Boyd. Boyd puts out an $11,000 all-electric car, and Elon Musk has said pretty much, I'm not worried about the bottom line right now. I just want to sell more vehicles. And, either it's going to be the best thing he's ever done, or it may help to take the company down. Well, that's a little bit of an overstatement. Tesla is the biggest company out there in the US in regards to electric vehicles. They have set the template, and so many other companies have come on board trying to get a piece of that pie. But this struggle, not with Boyd, but with a company called SAIC Motors, and it's also owned by the Chinese state. The European Automobile Manufacturers Association reveals that Tesla registered 14,666 new vehicles in January, representing a 66% jump. Headquartered in Shanghai, though, SAIC features the Fortune 500 list and sold over 5 million vehicles in 2023, and including 1.1 million new energy vehicles. In China, NEV refers to its vehicles primarily powered by electricity, blah, 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 blah. Boyd and SAIC Motors, those are headwinds for Tesla at this time, and they're trying to rock and roll and keep up with the pricing, which I don't think is the right thing to do. Just sell the cars. People like the cars. People are buying the cars. How about now when you're on the road? It seems like almost 1 out of every 20 vehicles that I see is a Tesla. So Tesla is definitely on board with getting a lot of cars out there. They're selling a lot of cars, but he's aggressively going after Boyd, which is the Tesla in China. How about this? Down almost 20% this year. Is Tesla stock a good value? And as I go down here, competition is also mounting, and Tesla's lineup is aging, with its Model 3, the Y, and the X, and S remaining the same visually since the launch. The biggest thing about what was going on with Elon Musk is his innovation. Is the innovation gone? Is the innovation not, is he not putting the same R&D into innovation? It's very, very interesting. The average price of a Tesla vehicle has declined $44,000 as of Q4, down from over $52,000 a year ago quarter. The interesting thing is it's nowhere near $11,000, but they are aggressively bringing the price down, which is good, but it's going to hurt the bottom line. And again, right now, he was honest enough to say, I'm not worried about the bottom line right now. I'm worried about, or I'm concerned about selling more cars. But what about the investors in Tesla? Are they going to be willing to sit back and say, okay, Elon, go do your thing. We believe in you. But where's and it's all about show me the money. And right now, the stock's price is going down and going down and going down. But is it ready to move? Let's go into the software, and I'm going to bring up the stocks in here. And I got 3 different stocks. Tesla, let's start with Tesla. Way overvalued. The stock, because they are at the forefront of the EV, people have been buying, pushing the stock price higher than the value. Just because it's overvalued doesn't make it a bad stock. It just means that people are willing to pay a premium to own the stock. This is what concerns me. Relative value, the upside potential compared to a AAA corporate bond. This company right now will not or will underperform a AAA corporate bond, or it will just underperform, making money in the market. It does have a relative safety above 1, which means the company does make money, but the value is not there. And that relative value tells me the ability of the stock's probability of outperforming the market. And currently, it's not there. Relative timing, below 1. The stock is trending down. VST, not above 1. So altogether, it's not a fundamentally sound stock going up in price. It is a sell recommendation, currently at an earnings growth rate of 1%. It's got a sales growth of 3%. So it is higher than the earnings growth. But man, it is tough to be a holder of Tesla right now. I'm going to right click on and view the stock graph. So this is what I'm looking at in regards to, is this stock ready to rebound? Looking at the hammer formation that happened on, let's click this date, move it over one, on 2/5 of 2024. Classic hammer, right at a level of support. All right, classic hammer is right at a level of support. It did move up. It broke through a level of resistance of 195.05. Over the past couple of days, it's broken back down and now sitting in a channel. A positive sign as well, coming off of that level of the hammer, I've got higher lows. That means that's a positive sign. Man, the 3 is above the 8 and above the 20. There's a lot of things that say that the stock is ready to rebound, but over the past couple of days, back into a channel, it's a tough play right now. On the positive side, I still like Elon Musk. So does a lot of other people out there. They do think that if anybody can overcome this, it will be Elon. But man, oh man, it's been a tough ride. Put this on a 1-year graph. Prior to that, it's got a lot of volatility in it, but when it moves just like that. It pulled back, found a level of support, moved up, but look at this. Lower highs. Then we did break above that, and now back in that channel of lower highs. It's a tough play. I like the possibility of a rebound, of a turnaround, but with the most current information, I show that it's back in a channel. All right, let's close that out. Now, I am still playing TSLQ. It's up 3.93%. It is the only stock in the bevy of, whether I'm looking at Tesla or looking at the ETFs on Tesla. This is the bullish ETF, TSLL, and the bearish ETF, as I mentioned, that I'm currently playing, TSLQ. It seems that right now, the bearish side of Tesla is still in play. It is the only buy recommendation. It is the only one that has an RT above 1 and a VST above 1. Man, it is tough to bet against Elon Musk, but until he can show that he can get out of this pricing war with China and concentrate on just selling the cars as is, and even if you're trying to bring the price down, that's great. But stop trying to fight odds that are above your head. And maybe this can turn out to be the best play ever for a company. But until the stock has the wherewithal to show me something, it's got to show me the money. If it's not showing me the money, right now, I think the bearish side is the way to go, playing TSLQ. Let it get out of its channel. The 3 and the 8 look good. Let's see if the 3 and the 8 can garner some more momentum, going up, breaking out of a channel. That would be the right time. But something has got to click for him and say, forget about all this pricing war. Let me just concentrate on selling the cars that people like, that got me where I am with Tesla. And until he can do that, Tesla is going to probably go down a little bit more. Again, I like the play of looking at a possible reversal. It's just not there for me yet. So folks, if you like the content, let me know by hitting the like button. If you've got some insight on what you think is going on with the stock, let me know in the comments. I want to hear what you've got to say. I always like interacting with you guys as well. Folks, this video is over. And until then, next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here. Did you miss out on the Tampa 2-day investment seminar? Well, right now you can get access to the live recording from this event for only $195. That's right, folks, $195. You can get access to all the great presentations from instructors like Steve Chappell, Jerry D'Ambrosio, Jim Penner, Ron Wheeler, and yours truly. Folks, you just need to go to www.vectorvest.com/replay24. You need to do that right now. Yeah.